Hello students, today I am going to teach you about sounds of two-letter words by using vowels. How many vowels there are? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Repeat it again. A, E, I, O, U. Now we will take first vowel, that is A. And we will take some words by using these vowels. I had written already. Let's see first, that is am. This word makes sound of a m, am. That makes sound of am. That is am. Next one is an. This makes sound of an. That is an. Third one is ass. This makes sound of is. Last one is at. This makes sound of at. Repeat with me again. am, an, ass, at. Very good. Now next vowel is E. That is E. First word is B. This makes sound of B. This makes sound of B. Next is He. This makes sound of He. Next is Me. This makes sound of Me. Next is WEV. This makes sound of VEV. Repeat it again with me. BEB, HEE, LEME, WEV. Very good. Now we will take the third one vowel, that is I. First word is I and in. In. This makes sound of in. Next is if. This makes sound of if. Next is is. This makes sound of is. Next is it. This makes sound of it. This makes sound of it. Repeat with me. I and in, if, is, it. Very good. Now we will take vowel number 4, that is O. First word is off. This will make sound of off. Next is O and on. This will make sound of on. Make sound of on. Next is or. This will make sound of or. Next is ox. This will make sound of ox. This will make sound of ox. Next is no. This will make sound of no. This will make sound of no. Next is go. This will make sound of go. Next is so. This will make sound of so. This will make sound of so. Next is lo. This will make sound of lo. Next is to. This will make sound of to. Next is do. This will make sound of do. Repeat with me. Off, O and on, or, ox, no, go, so, lo, to, do. Very good. Now we will take vowel number 5th, that is U. That is U. First word is U-P, up. Up. This will make sound of up. Next is U-S, us. This will make sound of U-S, us. This will make sound of us, us. Us. Repeat with me. U-P, up. U-S-S. U-P, up. U-S-S. Repeat all the words again with me. A-M, am. A-N, an. A-S-S. A-T, at. B-E-B. H-E-He. M-E, me. W-E-V. I-N, in. I-F, if. I-S, is. I-T, it. O-F, off. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-X, ox. N-O, no. G-O, go. S-O, so. L-O, low. T-O, to. D-O, do. U-P, up. U-S, us. Okay students, today we learn about the sounds of 2-letter words by using vowels. So please keep on practicing at your home. Thank you.